Introducing the Scepter, the all-new Android-based mobile computer from AML. AML's new Scepter mobile computer is powered by a 1 GHz microprocessor running Android 6.0, also known as Marshmallow. Its most obvious defining feature is the oversized 5-inch color display, the largest display available on a rugged pistol grip-equipped device. The Scepter is available with a variety of barcode scan engines, allowing it to be equipped for even the most challenging scanning environments. The dual beam headlights are activated by simply pressing the secondary button on the pistol grip handle. The optional camera and flash takes color pictures in 5 megapixel resolution. The color display and touchscreen are constructed using optically bonded tempered glass that is 30% thicker than conventional displays, and with a nit rating of 550, the Scepter is easily sunlight readable. The backlit keypad contains 47 tactile keys rated for 2 million cycles and protected with a polyurethane coating. Wireless data communications is accomplished using an integrated radio with 802.11 ABGN Wi-Fi and low-energy Bluetooth functionality. A protective rubber boot allows the display to float in the case, giving the Scepter a drop rating of 6 feet to concrete or 1.8 meters. Weighing in at 24 ounces and an IP64 environmental rating, the Scepter is ideal for all-day, everyday use in industrial environments. Audio can be played through the 1-watt user-facing speaker just below the keypad. Or the user may elect to connect a headset with earphones and microphone into the 3.5mm phone jack, positioned on the underside of the device where the connector is protected from impact. The 24.8 watt-hour lithium-ion battery is stored in the environmentally sealed battery compartment with quick-release battery door.